Do you feel overwhelmed when you look at cloud engineer job descriptions on any of the job portals? Azure, AWS, Linux, Terraform, Kubernetes, Python, security, networking, and many more in the list that never ends. But here's the good news. Most companies are not looking for someone who knows everything. They're looking for someone who can solve problems, work with real cloud systems, and keep business applications running smoothly. In this video, I'll break down exactly what hiring managers look for when hiring cloud engineers and how you can position yourself to get hired. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything. Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, Kubernetes, Terraform, DevOps, all at the same time. Hiring managers would rather hire someone who knows Azure really well than someone who knows a little bit of other different technologies. Focus on understanding how applications are deployed, how networking works, how storage is managed, and how users access resources in Azure. Many aspiring cloud engineers spend months studying Azure services but completely ignore Linux. That's a mistake. Most cloud workloads still run on Linux. You don't have to become a Linux administrator, but you should be comfortable navigating. You should be comfortable checking logs, managing processes, and troubleshooting basic issues. These CLI skills are exactly what hiring managers love to see. Companies don't hire cloud engineers to memorize service names. They hire them to understand how systems work together, be able to explain traffic flow, redundancy, scaling, networking, and where failures can happen. This systems thinking mindset separates beginners from real cloud engineers. One skill that immediately gets hiring managers' attention is security awareness. Today, security isn't a specialist's responsibility, it's everyone's responsibility. Understand concepts like least privilege, identity management, role-based access control, and secure networking. Mastering these security basics will make you stand out. This is probably the most important point in the entire video. Cloud engineers get paid to solve problems. When a VM won't start or storage isn't accessible, companies need engineers who can investigate systematically. A systematic approach involves gathering evidence, testing hypotheses, and validating the final solution. In interviews, showing your thought process is often more valuable than immediately knowing the answer. This may surprise many people. Most hiring managers care more about what you've built than which degree you have. If you're a beginner, start building projects. Create an Azure environment, deploy an application, configure monitoring. Break things intentionally and fix them. That's where true learning happens. Experience always beats memorization. Show the projects you've built. That's your real resume. Modern cloud engineers automate repetitive work. Nobody wants to manually create resources every day. Even basic scripting knowledge can significantly improve your job prospects. Focus on PowerShell or Azure CLI. Learning the basics of infrastructure as code like Terraform is a massive advantage. Building systems is only half the job. Keeping them running is the other half. Companies value engineers who can identify issues before customers notice them. Learn to use tools like Azure Monitor or any other cloud-native monitoring tool. Reliability is key to keeping business applications running smoothly. Finally, don't underestimate communication skills. Cloud engineers work with developers, managers, and stakeholders. If you can explain technical concepts clearly, you'll always stay relevant in this industry. A learning mindset is crucial as technology evolves rapidly. Always remember this: technical skills plus communication is the formula for career growth. Focus on one cloud platform along with other technologies like Linux, security, and problem-solving skills, which complements your job role. Build projects and learn to automate. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more cloud career content. Connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll see you in the next video.